In today's video, I'm going to be giving you Sadhguru's very simple approach to staying in the present moment. Okay, and I'm also going to be adding on to more very practical daily steps that you can take to be more present throughout your day. Honestly, any video that I watch by Sadhguru about staying in the present moment, he delivers the message in a very simple way. And it's a message that really helps you connect to the present, to the aliveness of the now. You know, Sadhguru always mentions how tomorrow is simply just an idea in your mind that never actually comes. And to realize this at a deeper level, right? Ask yourself right now, have you ever experienced a tomorrow? Have you actually ever experienced a tomorrow? Or has tomorrow always been an idea within your mind inside the present moment? See, our logical thinking brain is constantly like, oh yeah, obviously tomorrow is coming tomorrow. But if you really get down into just, strip away all that logical thinking and just become really present and ask yourself right now, have you actually ever experienced the tomorrow? Or have you only ever experienced the present moment within which you are conceptualizing that a tomorrow will come? So this tomorrow ends up becoming the idea which controls all our actions, all our desires, our motives, our thoughts. Yet it has no existence anywhere in reality other than in your mind. Yet it controls your entire existence because we constantly give it so much focus. And we are just more so even now today than ever controlled by all the fears and the anxieties that it instills within our mind as well. Just this idea of tomorrow. Whereas if you really just look around you, the only thing that has ever been and the only thing that you will ever experience is the now. This idea of tomorrow, right? When it manifests, it will only manifest as the present moment, within which you will create a new idea of tomorrow, which when that manifests also, it will only manifest as the present moment. So it is very crucial to, outright just understand that life only exists now. The aliveness that you feel can only come from the now. So it's kind of a silly question when we're asking how to be present, right? Because we already are present all the time. But because within the present, we are constantly projecting a future and a past, and our attention is lost within those two things, that's when we completely just neglect the aliveness that is here right now. Because think about it. Even within the now, all the things that exist that you constantly focus on, your body, your children, your finances, your goals, all of those things don't have aliveness. Think of them as just objects within the present moment. The only thing that has aliveness is the now. That is what you feel as life. Life is the now within which all these projections exist, within which you can create whatever you want to create. So it's not so much that the projections themselves have lives, because the projections can also be thought of within the past, right? And the future. But there's no aliveness in the past and future. And the projections can also be thought of right now and experienced right now. But the aliveness through which you are experiencing them and making them out to seem real is within the now. The aliveness is the now. Life is the now. You can never know life outside of this moment. You can never know life outside of this moment. And that's a beautiful realization that dawns on you once you really meditate on it and really just, sit there and acknowledge the fact that it is so true. Life, the only life you will ever know is within this present moment. Yet we waste our entire time, our entire day, just focusing on projections that we think are going to bring us happiness and salvation. Yet we completely neglect the aliveness, our gift to be alive within this now moment. So one of Sadhguru's easiest methods to become more present throughout the day is acknowledging this fact. Throughout your day, right? When you're just caught up in the hustle of things and you're just doing, create these little moments where you just stop everything. Not just on the outside, but also inside. Stop all this mental chatter, all these projections, and just acknowledge the fact that you are alive. Acknowledge the fact that you exist. Ask yourself, am I alive right now? How do I know I'm alive right now? And don't think about the answer. Okay, don't create more projections about the answer that take you away from the present, but instead ask yourself, am I alive? And then feel into the answer. How do you know you exist right now? If I'm asking you, if you had to feel into this right now, how do you know you exist right now? Feel that. Feel that sense of, yeah, I exist. I definitely exist. Feel that sense of, I am alive. That is that same aliveness that I'm talking about that is the present moment. And right now it's just going to be a subtle feeling, but once you start to focus on it more and more and you practice this sense will deepen. And this sense will start to take over your experience more and more. And it becomes easier to tune into. So in the beginning, it's going to be even hard to kind of sense this and kind of remind yourself to pause your day and just focus on it. But as you practice with your willingness, because you want to get better at this and you want to become more present, I'm assuming, as you practice this sense deepens. It becomes more profound. It grows and it starts to take over your entire experience until it becomes your sense of reality. You start to realize that this is real, whereas everything that is going on comes and goes. Everything that I'm experiencing is temporary, including my own body. But this sense of aliveness, this always is just here. This sense of aliveness is what is permeating my entire existence and actually making it possible. The sense of aliveness is what I'm experiencing everything through. Therefore, I'm going to focus more on it. And this creates such a vibrant layer of just life in your experience. And you start to experience this as life flowing in a better way for you, in a more effortless way for you. And that natural intelligence that is trying to flow through you, is trying to use you as a vessel to manifest itself, becomes more prominent in your experience. You start to gain a greater connection with that intelligence, with that source within. So right here and right now, start by focusing on that sense of, I exist. I am alive right now. I am. Now, 2 more ways that you can actually accelerate this kind of effect and really deepen your awareness of the now, of the aliveness, of that I am, okay? Number 1, drop all thoughts right away. Really, pretend like someone has a gun to your head and they're basically saying that if you don't stop thinking right now, I'm going to pull the trigger. And so if your life was on the line and you had to stop thinking just for 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, could you do it? I bet you could. So if you could do it then, you can do it now. So just with that sense of urgency, just drop all thoughts and just become intensely aware of the fact that you are aware right now. And what you'll notice is that in that gap where you consciously try not to think, there's just this blank awareness of the present moment. And no thoughts exist within it. And over time, it becomes less about stopping thoughts, because that's not our purpose, right? That's not our mission. It becomes less about stopping thoughts and more about clinging on to that awareness, that sense of presence that remains when you get rid of all those thoughts. And it becomes easier and easier to cling on to that awareness without even having to first stop thoughts. Matter of fact, when you cling on to that awareness, thoughts naturally subside. And then you can carry on this awareness throughout your day and experience less thoughts. So practice this throughout the day, multiple times. Just drop all thoughts. And then focus on that awareness that remains. And then over time, you can evolve this into actually just focusing on the awareness right away. And then naturally, you'll notice that when you were focusing on that awareness, there were less and less thoughts until thoughts just left. And they only came back once you stopped being aware of the present moment. Now, the second way that you can become present instantly is similar to the first, but instead of stopping thoughts, what you're going to try to do is just become very alert, right? Like become very alert of the present moment. Like you hear, like someone just in the other room called your name, and you're trying to see like, oh, are they actually calling my name? You know that 5 seconds of extreme alertness where you drop everything that's going on in here and you just focus on like the sounds, and you're just so alert during that time. Well, when you were doing this, you didn't actually notice that during that time you were aware. You were aware and you had no thoughts. Now I'm going to challenge you that once you become very alert, just for 2 to 5 seconds, notice the fact that in that period, there were no thoughts. All that was you being aware of external things. But what we want to do here to actually accelerate our sense of aliveness, our sense of awareness, is instead of only focusing on external things, we actually want to focus on the fact that we are aware. We want to focus our attention on our attention. This is what deepens awareness, my friends. And this is what makes it easier for you to actually carry on this awareness throughout the day. Focusing your attention on your attention, turning the light through which you see and project all these different projections, turning that light onto itself and just going way deeper within. That is the deepening of awareness. That is also meditation. But in this exercise, right, in the beginning, it's just going to be like you becoming intensely alert of all your surrounding sounds, your senses, how your butt feels on the chair that you're sitting on and whatnot. But over time, once you get better at this, you can start just noticing that gap. Notice what remains in that gap when no thoughts are there. It'll be that awareness that is always there, that sense of aliveness of the now. And once you start to focus on that, once you focus your awareness on the fact that you are aware, your light turns back onto itself and starts to view itself, starts to experience itself. Life starts to experience its aliveness, and it creates this radiance in your experience that you experience as peace, as stillness. And again, this deepens over time, so practice this. This will help you with your manifestations. This will help you live a more effortless, easy life. This is the portal to everything that you ever wanted. But you have to get better at experiencing this and prolonging this throughout your day. So multiple times a day, either drop all thoughts and just focus on that awareness, or become very alert, and then over time evolve that into focusing awareness on awareness itself. You can also use Sadhguru's direct method is just dropping everything and just asking yourself, am I alive right now? And acknowledge the aliveness that is here in this present moment. Acknowledge the fact that tomorrow never came in the past and it will never come in the future. When that tomorrow that you're thinking of comes, it will be the present moment within which you have another idea of a different tomorrow. Acknowledge that and stop living in realities that do not exist. The only thing that exists, the only thing that will ever exist, is the now. You will never know life outside of the now. So stop wasting your time elsewhere. Stop wasting your focus, your energy elsewhere. Come into the now and create this masterful expression that is you. Okay? If you have any questions about this, put them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video with a friend who would also find it helpful. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.